What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. So I'll be talking about how to actually create your Gmail account, and once that's set up I'll be going through how to use it. So it's super easy. What you want to do is go to the top here where it says Gmail and click on that, and it's going to greet you with a page that looks like this. What you want to do is click create an account, and it's going to lead you to a page where you're basically going to need to input your basic information. Here where it says choose your username, this is what your Gmail is going to be called. So for example, if I type in Kyle182, as you can see this username is taken, but it will give you some suggestions as well, so you can just keep playing about until you find an email that's not taken. Okay, so once you're done filling your information out, just click next step, scroll to the bottom and then click I agree. And that is it, you have successfully created your new Gmail account. So we're just going to go over how to use Gmail very quickly. It's very simple. So of course your Gmail will be split into 3 categories, so you've got your primary, social and promotions. That's very self-explanatory. If you want to delete emails, you can just check the box and then you click the delete symbol here, or you can select all the emails and do the same thing. You can also move them to different folders. Talking about folders, click on here, this side button, and you can basically select what folders you want. So obviously you got inbox, which is your primary folder. You can click more and it's basically going to show you the different folders you have, like all mail. Obviously you got your spam, your bin, etc. And if you want to compose an email, as you can see, click the compose and you can basically send an email straight from here. And if you want to change any of the settings, all you need to do is go to this cog icon. You can change how it looks, change the theme, and you can also go into the settings tab, which is obviously going to give you pretty much every single setting for your Gmail account. And it's quick and as simple as that. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and subscribe to see more videos like this.